Welcome to I Need BBQ. Today we're diving into one of the most iconic barbecue spots in the world, Franklin Barbecue in Austin, Texas. Famous for its mouth-watering brisket and the lines that start forming before dawn, Franklin Barbecue has become a pilgrimage site for BBQ enthusiasts. We got here at 6 a.m. and we're still not the first in line. It's my first time here. The wait is long, but it's always worth it. The menu is straightforward, focusing on quality over quantity. Highlights include brisket $39 per pound, pork spare ribs $34 per pound, pulled pork $32 per pound, turkey $32 per pound, sausages $26 per pound, jalapeno, cheddar sausage $26 per pound, beef ribs available on weekends for $44 per pound. Sandwich options feature brisket, pulled pork, turkey, and the tipsy Texan. Sides like potato salad, slaw, and pinto beans complement the meats. And don't miss out on their pies, with flavors like bourbon banana and pecan. Pitmaster Aaron Franklin's dedication to the craft is evident in every bite. The meats are seasoned simply with salt and pepper, then smoked over post oak wood, embodying the essence of Central Texas barbecue. The brisket is the star of the show, tender, juicy, and with a perfect smoke ring. It's no wonder people are willing to wait hours for a taste. Customer favorites also include the pulled pork, which is tender and flavorful, and the sausages, especially the jalapeno cheddar variety, which offers a delightful kick. The brisket just melts in your mouth. Best I've ever had. The pulled pork sandwich was incredible, totally worth the wait. Is Franklin Barbecue worth the hype? Absolutely. The combination of expertly smoked meats, friendly atmosphere, and the communal experience of waiting in line makes it a must-visit destination for any BBQ lover. Next time you're in Austin, set aside a morning to experience Franklin Barbecue. Remember, patience is key, but the reward is some of the best barbecue you'll ever taste. Thanks for joining us on this BBQ adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more mouth-watering reviews and BBQ tips.